Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to modify your Microsoft Teams background prior to a meeting. Let's get started with the process to enhance your video calls with a professional touch or personal style. Adjusting your virtual backdrop is especially helpful for maintaining privacy while working remotely or simply creating a more polished meeting space. Begin by visiting the official Microsoft Teams site. Once you arrive, log in using your account details. Just locate the sign-in option and enter your info to access the full suite of Teams tools, including your scheduled meetings. After logging in, navigate to the Calendar tab. This area displays all your upcoming appointments. It is wise to review this daily to stay organized. Locate the specific meeting you intend to join from your list, whether it is happening now or later today. Clicking the entry will reveal the meeting's details and options. To continue, select the Join button or the provided link. This takes you to the entry screen where you can connect with others. You may be prompted to use the web browser version or launch the desktop application. Pick the one that suits you best. Before fully entering the call, you can tweak your appearance. Click on the video preview to see exactly what your camera shows. This ensures everything looks right before you go live. Within these video settings, you will find an option labeled Background Filters. Click this to view the available selection. Teams provides various choices, ranging from formal office environments to casual settings. Choose a backdrop that fits the tone of your discussion. Browse the gallery and select your favorite. You can see a live preview before finalizing it. Once you have picked one, you are ready to enter the meeting with your new look. Using a custom background helps eliminate distractions and keeps your surroundings private. That concludes our tutorial on changing your Microsoft Teams background before a session. This quick adjustment significantly improves your video presence. Enjoy trying out different looks for your upcoming calls.